Alright fellas, I'm here with another video. In this video I'll be tackling the paint correction on my Porsche, and let me tell you, I'm not an expert. I have watched so many different videos on YouTube trying to learn this skill, and what I learned is everybody has a different way of doing things, and the summary which I have watching all these videos is right in front of you. These are the products that I'm gonna use, and this is what I learned how people been doing it. So the first step is to remove any prior wax or anything polish from your paint. For that we use the iron remover. Second thing is to do the car wash. Now some people say use car soap with the pH balance formula. Some people use dish soap. You know what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna wash it twice. I have a power washer. I'm gonna use the power washer, but it can be done with the hand as well. So I'm gonna show you how I did it. You can do it yourself, whatever equipment you have. You can just use a nozzle and just wash your car. So second step is that, the car wash. The third step is this putty right here. So once you done washing the car, you're going to use this putty to further remove the contaminants from the paint, and you use the quick detailer to work on the paint, and use the putty. Once we're done with that, if you have heavy swirl marks or scratches, you can use the Maguire or any other compound that you can find. If it's not too deep, you can use the rubbing compound. My preference is actually this rubbing compound. It works really good if you have scratches and stuff. The next step is this one right here, machine polish. This one works like a magic, gives a very brilliant shine to your car. So if you have minor swirls and scratches, you can just use this one step and it works the best. After that, when we are done, we will use this ceramic coating. So you apply that, and after that you clean it with a microfiber cloth, which is very soft. And the next step is I apply this Carnauba Wax, and that adds a brilliant shine to the car. So what I'm using is a dual action polisher. I know some people use the rotary tool, but if you don't have a steady hand, I will suggest to use the dual action. Let's go ahead and start. So we spray the car with the water. We can apply this iron remover. If you spray on the top, it just flows down at the bottom. So switching hands because my hand is getting tired. You can see we sprayed on it, and we're gonna let it soak for a few minutes. Let's let it do its magic, and then we come back and rinse it again. Now it's been a few minutes, and we're gonna go ahead and rinse. When you rinse, you see this soapy sud, the body of the car. So now what we're gonna do, we spray the soap. We're gonna let it soak for some time. If you don't have a power washer or the spray bottle, I'm gonna add a link. You can buy this from Amazon, or you can buy it from your local Harbor Freight tool. I think at Harbor Freight is about 20 bucks. If you have a pressure washer, this bottle is 20 bucks. I'll add link for both, for the power washer and the manual one that you can pump, and there's another one that operates with the battery. So I'll sure be adding the link for that. So we're gonna let it soak for a few minutes. So now it's been a few minutes, and we're gonna wash it with the water. Then we're gonna reapply the foam again, and then wash it with hand. Okay, so let's go ahead and rinse it. We will saturate the clay with this detailer. And when you apply it, spray generously on the car body. So we're gonna spray and start. And now that we have used the clay all over the car, we're gonna dry it. Alright, now let me just show you the surface. Even without the waxing, if you see, it looks pretty good. I mean, before we applied anything. But with that one coat of that Finesse, this is going to turn into a mirror. So it's pretty clean, but still it needs a paint correction, and we're going to do it. So first thing, we're gonna add the polish to the pad. This is what I saw in the video, so I'm doing the same thing, following the lead. You rub on it everywhere, like that. And then apply on the hood. Just 4 of those. Start with number 1 setting. Tap, tap, tap. Once we spread, we're going to go to number 6 setting and do a couple of rubs. I don't know if the camera shows or not, but just see right here, it's a big difference in shine. So we're gonna do the whole hood. And then I'm gonna apply the ceramic coating on it and the wax. So I'm gonna show you. Let me go ahead and finish the rest of the hood. Now, how to apply the ceramic? The foam pad they give you, put like 4 or 5 drops on it. And what you do, once you apply and it gets dry, you add like 2 more drops. You're going to go horizontal and then vertical. We're going to apply the wax on it. Wax, like I showed you in the beginning, Brazilian Carnauba cleaning wax. And I'll sure be adding the link. Right now, the light test again. So folks, that's how you do the paint correction. This was my first attempt. Thank you so much for everybody out there who have all these videos that I've watched, and I was able to comprehend the process, how to do it. Yes, it saved me a whole bunch of dollars. And I'll be honest with you, this process was not that difficult. It takes a lot of time, so I can understand if they charge anywhere from $1,500 to $2,000. It involves a lot of manpower. With that being said, I'm going to end this video. Thank you for watching. I'll sure be adding the link for the products that I use. And take care and bye-bye.